Welcome back. Some worrying news in India's battle against COVID. The country is witnessing a rise in the COVID active cases driven by a spike in daily cases in Kerala, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, MP and Punjab. According to the Health Ministry, over 85% of the new cases are just from these 5 states. Maharashtra and Kerala alone are accounting for more than 74% of the country's active cases. In the midst of rising COVID cases, India is far behind meeting its vaccination target of 13 lakh inoculations in a day. India is still on its phase 1 of vaccination, where healthcare workers and frontline workers are being given the shots. Questions are now being raised as to why the vaccination program is not being expanded to give doses to the general population as the cases are spiking. However, beating COVID hesitancy amongst the people is proving to be the biggest challenge for the government. As Maharashtra has reported over 6,000 fresh coronavirus cases for yet another day, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has given an 8-day ultimatum to the people, saying that if they do not begin following COVID norms, then the government will have to impose another lockdown. Amidst the surge in the cases, parts of Amravati district have been placed under lockdown. While there will be a total lockdown in Amravati city area, the rest of Amravati district is going to be in a partial lockdown for 7 days. The Maharashtra government has announced that all government meetings, large-scale projects, religious gatherings and political tours will not be allowed, as the state government is now looking to contain the virus spread. Only essential services like medicine stores, that is your chemists, hospitals, food and vegetable shops are going to be allowed to be open. Other business activities will have to be shut from 5 p.m. to 9 a.m. Offices will be allowed to open with 15% workforce. Theatres, schools, colleges, swimming pools, parks are all going to be closed during the curfew time.
पुन्हा एकदा काही प्रमाणामध्ये बंधनं आपल्याला पाळावी लागणार आहेत. काही ठिकाणी बंधनं हे आपण घालतो आहोत. अमरावती, अकोला, यवतमाळ, वाशिम, कारण साधारणतः हा जो पट्टा आहे, या पट्ट्यामध्ये ही वाढ फार मोठ्या प्रमाणात होते आणि म्हणून तिथे उद्यापासून साधारणतः तिथल्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी मी सांगितलं की अचानक काही करू नका. म्हणजे आता 7 वाजता मी आपल्याशी बोलतोय आणि आज सांगणार की आज मध्यरात्रीपासून मी लॉकडाऊन करतोय, तसं नका करू. कारण अचानक लॉकडाऊन करणं हे सुद्धा घातक आहे आणि अचानक सगळं काही उघडून टाकणं हे सुद्धा घातक आहे. आणि म्हणून मी सांगितलं की आपल्या जनतेला 1 दिवस द्या. 1 दिवस देऊन साधारणतः उद्या संध्याकाळपासून जिथे जिथे तुम्हाला वाटतं तिकडे काही बंधनं ही जरूर तुम्ही अंमलात आणायला सुरुवात करा.
Let's now look at the curbs that are imposed in Maharashtra so that it clears the air once and for all. Let's get you the districts where there is a lockdown and partial lockdown that has been announced. While everyone in Maharashtra needs to take care, Uddhav Thackeray has just given an ultimatum for one to really take care. Let's take a look at the relock that is happening in Maharashtra. In Amravati city, you have a complete lockdown. So the right there is Amravati. Then you have Amravati district where there is a partial lockdown. So in the city, there's a full lockdown. In the district, there is a partial lockdown. Akola, which happens to be here, there is a partial lockdown in Akola in Maharashtra. Next up, we've got Buldana. Buldana has gone through a partial lockdown as well. Wasim, right here, there is a partial lockdown in Wasim. You've got Yavatmal as well, which has got a partial lockdown that has been announced in the state of Maharashtra. So these are the different ones. Pune, there is a night curfew in Pune at the moment. So the curfew only begins at night. In the daytime, things are normal. And Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us for the very latest. Mustafa, the concerns are now growing about the growing number of coronavirus cases. One can't help but as the state government, they have to take these precautions as well. If people start flouting COVID norms and there is a spike in the COVID cases, the biggest concern as far as Maharashtra is concerned is Mumbai. What is the situation? What is brewing as far as the decision on Mumbai is concerned, given that it happens to be the financial capital of the country?
Well, if you look at Mumbai, Chaiti, the number of cases are increasing on a daily basis. It has reached almost about 900 cases a day, and it can cross 1,000 cases a day in 1 or 2 days. So there is a time for restrictions all over Maharashtra, and we cannot deny the fact that even BMC could announce some curbs given a day or 2 time, because they also have to be announced some restrictions after the cases have crossed the count of 1,000, because In Mumbai, the population is huge. Though the death rate is in control, there are only 3 deaths being reported or 4 deaths being reported due to COVID. But at the same point of time, the rising number of cases. Also remember, on the other hand, some samples from Mumbai have been sent to NIV to check if the new variant of the virus has entered Mumbai. Because of this, the number of cases which are multiplying is happening at a fast pace. So all these things are of a concern. 8 days have been given by the CM, but even that is a very crucial time for the Mumbai and Maharashtra, because if the cases keep rising at this pace, then there will be no other option left with the government and administration but to impose restrictions, be it on a local level, be it on a ward level, be it on an area level or on a state level. They will take a decision once the picture is clear going forward from here in 8 days. Back to you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.